Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use Instagram reposts. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, open up once the app has been opened, this is how the interface is gonna look like, right? From over here you're gonna go to the reel section. And now once you're in the reel section, you shall be able to find this little repost icon. And if you're not, simply go ahead, visit your profile. You should also be able to find this kind of new repost to profile and feed update going on. You can tap on it to understand more information, but to use it is very simple. You just need to first of all go to your reel section and tap on this particular repost icon. Now it has been reposted. You can also go ahead, add in a comment if you would like, tap on save, you're good to go. Now go back to your profile, tap on repost section, and you will find the repost that you have done. Refresh it once, and there you go. Now the thing is, you will find this repost icon only after you have added a repost video or reposted a video. So for example, I am undoing the repost. So to undo the repost, you just have to tap this icon again. Now if you go back, refresh once again, you will not find the repost icon. So if you're confused, if you're not seeing it, just have to go to your reel section, repost it by tapping on it, and go back to profile, refresh once, and that should be there. You can find your video. That is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.